Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with your Airpods in range and your iPhone unlocked. This saves time. Open Settings, tap your name, then Find My. Make sure Find My iPhone is enabled so the device list appears. Once done, tap Devices and select your Airpods from the list. This brings up tracking controls. You do this because the tracker functions are managed per device. By accessing the Airpods entry directly, you get the option to disable or remove tracking without guessing which setting applies. You now see the Airpods device card with location history and options. Tap Remove this device to unregister tracking, or toggle off Share My Location if the option appears. Either action stops active location sharing. Make sure to confirm the removal when prompted. Apple may ask for your Apple ID password to prevent unauthorized changes. Once you confirm, the Airpods will no longer appear in your Find My list. This is why authentication is required. To protect your devices from accident, finish by reopening Find My and confirming the Airpods are gone from devices. That verifies tracking is off. If they still appear, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, or restart your iPhone. These steps refresh cloud status. As a last resort, reset the Airpods. Place them in the case. Hold the Setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, and then repair only if you want tracking restored. This sequence fixes sync glitches that can block the change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.